This video is going to be a quick teardown and demonstration on how water speakers work. So if you're not already aware what water speakers are, they're speakers. You'll see the water canister sits on the top, has water inside. As the music plays, it's supposed to spray upwards. So I've already torn it down, ready to go. Now we're just going to connect it up. So this one originally was running 8.5 volts. However, I've got a 12 volt battery charger just here to try it all out. Let's just connect it all up, ready to go, and we'll see if we can get it working. Let's demonstrate it. So we've got the black wire connected. I'm just going to get the red one. Try and straighten it up. There we go, that should be a good enough angle, and let's see how we look. So it's not connected, so we'll reconnect the bottom one. Definitely a power on, so I know that's good. There we go. So let's straighten it up. So as it plays music, it then pumps some voltage through to a pump at the bottom and sprays the water up. So as the music plays, it will just play it in time with the music, and the pump, which is this particular device at the bottom, pushes that water up and sprays it. And then you would have some lights and LEDs under here which will then light up the water that sprays up and give a pretty cool effect. So that's a quick teardown and demonstration of how these water speakers actually work. Thanks for watching.